Fellowes approached us back in 2020, early 21, about installing their air purification units into the stadium. Something that we was keen to do and follow up. We'd had a couple of cases of COVID amongst the playing squad, and we wanted to make sure the areas such as the changing rooms, the training ground and the restaurants were all safe.
The world has changed somewhat in the last 15 months, and we're at a position now where we're planning and looking forward to getting supporters and fans and guests and staff and playing staff back into the stadium, and we just want to make sure that all the areas that people are going to be sort of getting into are going to be as safe as they can possibly be.
AeraMax Pro air purifiers were recommended because they are proven to remove up to 99.97% of all airborne contaminants, and in independent laboratory tests they've been proven to be 99.99% effective against coronavirus 229E.
We decided that we wanted to have a couple of them here in the restaurant. The reason for that was that on a busy match day we can have up to 400 people. In addition to that, we have the first team changing rooms. The health and well-being of our players clearly is paramount, really important. And then also up at the first team training ground as well. The job that our players have to do doesn't start and end here at the stadium. They have a Monday to Friday up there as well, so we wanted to make sure that we looked after them 24/7, 365.
It improves confidence. It improves confidence of players knowing that they're going into a safe environment. It improves the confidence of our delegates, of our supporters, and we want them to know that we're trying to look after them in any way we can.
AeraMax Pro air purifiers feature a 4-stage filtration process to capture airborne particles and effectively clean the air, whilst patented EnviroSmart technology with its unique sensors shifts to standby mode wherever possible to save energy. And PureView technology means occupants can actually see how clean the air is on the digital display.
The main thing that we was impressed about with the units was their efficiency. Jeremy had just told us and showed the science behind the units and how effective they are. And when you're looking at the screens, you can see how effective they are as well. So the one stadium we're in now, it's on 99%, which is amazing, really.
When Jeremy got in touch, it was very much about a sort of solution-based approach to solving a problem, and that was kind of what really lent itself to us wanting to work with Fellowes. Like I say, we're really excited to see what positive differences the units can make going forward, and we're glad that we made the choice.
To be honest, the main thing is that we don't even know they're there. They're really quiet, they're doing the job in the background all the time, and that's great, but there's a nice visual display so people can see the fact that they are working. It's providing that confidence all the time to people in the stadium.